Today we're going to talk about the super safety and some things that I noticed when installing them for some clients. One of them I want to point out right now seems to be the one that has been the most successful for me. And if you look, when we're in this position, this should be moving very easily. I mean, just jiggling. That's what I've seen on all of them that worked well. This one is just barely, you can kind of see it, just barely has a little bit of resistance. We actually want this to be moving very freely. So you can polish things all day long. It's not something down there rubbing. I'll tell you what it is. It is the spring for the detent. Let's take a look at that. You probably already have the rounded over detent as an example. Okay. We take this spring and just nipping a little bit off at a time. And yeah, that's going to fly, so be wearing your safety goggles. You can see we have a trim down, so you're going to have to hold your super safety while you do this. And we're just making sure it goes in there. And I'd say that's wiggling pretty good. I think we're going to test fire this and see if it works. We'll do 14 rounds after modifying it a little bit. Ammo's expensive. You only get a dozen. 300 blackout.